tole mbuji ndamene tokedu ndamaichiria makoya naibuma itokedu ndamaichiria makoya namuma amugwanja italenginu kochoria kerongama wetwera itothathaie twanjereria irugendo yagwira itothathaie twanjereria irugendo
kenda bagite kesi tuwa withirwa ugo kwa mbeca akugwa na ndipo ega na ndaona kuigwe bwa thank you very much.
Meru Progress Group atusalimie, aongee on behalf of the group, then Mdiego tuproceed. Alafu tuandae tukimaliza ndio tutaproceed. You hand over the items to the governor and you have a good photo. Wacha tumpigie makofi chairman wetu. 1 2 3.
Still are there. Teka tura kara banda embu tuko tuka tuka ande guru kaire tulen group kaire tu organize tukia walete na hago twiri na ngi umba kurutete rutero ungi indari na ndigi na mbira dinere ri uko kinya na ara kurera kwina ndona kanyi baramba tukire so kwina tube na mpak ike yu excellence tugire tugure buchere jo ikiro magana about kilo ngiri na about 2,500 kilo buchere jo kwa gato de buchere jo then tu propose rara tu ba kwenda wikia kidogo video ina infrastructure jaga mano yura ba ko distribute but jaga to group to komea ugo no ingire to in to finances and all this so we can also help to fix this right we can help to do it within 2 days to come sure mjeri yo kwa honda bara kala kwa so that's why we are here na group yetu remember yetu Meru eku yeji na kumita kuma tigana na hale kumegembe wita kinao members wa mwabo Mombasa. They are coming from Mombasa, they came overnight. Of Kisumu. So we are from every part of this country. I mean of this country. But we work in every part of the country. More importantly, we support you, we support the government of the day. Kusema ndio siasa wake, kusema mambo ya siasa ara. Lakini tuko na mtu utawewa
What MPG? Okay, so for me, I'll keep it very brief. Thank you, Patron. As we are saying, this is a group that I think, as the name says, thinks about progress, about welfare of each other, and I've seen that time and time again with interactions in the group. There's various people from within Meru County, but in various disciplines in this country, professionals of various kinds, and the interactions in this group are usually very professional. And during the COVID time, like Patron has said, wakauliza what can we do for Meru County that will have some impact directly of it. Fortunately, the Excellency Governor tried to receive the huge plant that we provided for Meru Level 5 for oxygen production. So I thought that tukaenda tu health ni directive in the Department of Health baki ya kugura mitungi naja kufiliwa mitungi ile oxygen then hospitali level 5 because the machine that you provided the Excellence is able to fill these cylinders. So my idea which appreciate Patron on push agenda group accept let us have some oxygen cylinders so that the level 4 and level 3 and our ambulances, even when they run out of an oxygen cylinder or the oxygen itself, wakaja to avoid in there. what Patron has not said is, Mutungi Your Excellency Governor, 2020. To say no, we have been buying oxygen, and I said the other day, one full cylinder, but Patron was able to get it at a better discount. We had to come in for it now, at a discount. We used to buy a cylinder at 5,500. That is oxygen only. But Patron was able to get it at 4,000. I don't know how he did it. So you see, that is for me. I think I will really put them to use. And thank you to Patron and the group for this kind of noble initiative with the carrier. Manza Muchere, Patron Aquari, again, it has been part of our initiative, county government. A lot of food, to give the people. In fact, area is very okay. The poor families, the countries, and the people with disability. So mine is to say thank you very much. And thank you also for being with us today and our engagement about our Meru program. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Nitauliza sasa tukaribisheni waziri wetu Bwana Mike Kingi.
Thank you very much, our Chief of Staff, our Governor, His Excellency Craig Moroge, our Deputy Governor, honorable members of the County Assembly, members of the Department of Health, na marafiki wetu wa Meru Progress Group. Bwana asifiwe. Langu ni kuwashukuru sana for this initiative of helping watu wetu wa Meru. Indeed, in disaster ya coronavirus imeumiza mambo mengi sana kwa the whole republic na pia Meru County. Quite a number of people have been affected, and one of the things we need more in the fight against COVID-19 is oxygen. So your choice is good, it will be very useful. Pia watu wengi hapa Meru wameguswa sana na ugonjwa because so many businesses have been affected. Watu wengi especially wale wako slums na pia wale tunaita PWDs wamekuwa badly hit by ugonjwa wa coronavirus. So hii chakula itawasaidia sana so that they can also be empowered in this fight against COVID-19. So this is a good initiative, and may God bless you. Indeed, the Department of Health is working very hard to ensure that our people are taken care of. They are safe from coronavirus. And on Wednesday this week, we released 2 cases of the coronavirus we had in Meru, having recovered fully, and I want to thank our doctors for that initiative. We have been putting some other people who came in contact with them in quarantine, and we have been with them also for almost 2 weeks. And today we are releasing some more 46 members who had come in contact with the people with the coronavirus. They have been examined and they are free from coronavirus. So this is a good initiative, and we want to thank you for this. Berenkarande, kanjo kekanyaka, chokerie Governor wetu nkatho muno, noto kiumia kirathirire na kiumia ki itokarite tukirisiba utethio kuma ikundi mwanya mwanya barabeyite ku through initiative no chore na Governor wetu ibeyite na batutethia na ibonto guchokira kinye ikundi kieto kia Meru Progress Group. Katho muno nonto abwendo bunene bwabo atonia kumenyera antu betu bangi ba Meru kaita kaka umu ka coronavirus. This is a very good initiative. Na kenda kuria bangi bonde ba Meru baramurunga barimite beno weso bena ability ya kumba gutetheria ibe ye Meru ndikenda to team up together tuna murimo yo tureke kimwe nonto murimo yo yotomba imuntu omwe thirikari tomba yongwa
nianto bonde ba come up together. Okay, the mrug na kubarimete ombakora kina maski mwe ora nenkera oteneo. Okay, the mrug na kubarimete we ni idio bya kungana. Tege motori oku ora biashara wera ingirwe non to babu dimoko na virus. Katu tete ne brea mwe neke enda tomba ko zero through this difficult time brea mwe na mwadhani atubarima. Otherwise, thank you very much. Kanjo Kekanya still, the Bonnier members of my department, Brato Enabo, Tukarware. I'm requesting members of the department, please stand up. Aranyuma, to Director of Public Health, Baninanga. Next is Dr. Kanana, Chief Officer, Public Health. And here we have Dr. Keremi, Chief Officer, Medical Services. I also want to recognize my chairman of the Health Committee, Akwapo Pia, who is your member also. Thank you very much.
Okay, asante sana. Let me ask now our DCC, Bwana Mohamud, to make your mark. I'm so sorry. I'm told this road there is a problem with power they are trying to fix. You bear with us for that information. Karibisha wa DCC.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Governor.
Anasema huo.
Ambao yuko pale ma MCAs waheshimiwa wengine, Meru Progress Group, hamjambo. I will not say much, but I want to sincerely appreciate the support of Meru Progress Group. This is a typical case of social responsibility. Giving back to the people so when at the most needy hours. In our religion we believe the more you give, the more you get. Kwa hivyo wale watu ambao Mungu amewajalia muna mali, remember if you give more you get more. Lakini kama hutoi huwezi kupata zaidi. Kwa hivyo I want to thank them very sincerely because to fight this virus we need teamwork. This teamwork is both government and also the private sector. Because as you can see, the government resources have been outstretched. Resources of county government village zimekuwa outstretched. So we need your support and we really appreciate. And I also want to thank the people of Meru for supporting the government because this virus now we had only 2 confirmed cases in Meru. It's because of the support we get from the people. Watu wakisikia mtu ametoka area ambayo iko lockdown, watu wanapiga nduru. Wanapiga simu DC, wanapigia simu chief. Tumeweka roadblock. We have the most effective roadblocks. Huwezi ingia Meru ovyo ovyo. Kama umetoka Mombasa, hata wale ambao umetoka Mombasa, I'm sure you are authorized to come here. Si kweli? Kwa hivyo, I want to thank everybody and I want to thank also the governor. Ametupatia support sana. We have a multi-agency team, a very strong team. Team ya county government pamoja na national government. Now also we have a third force, Meru Progress Group. So we thank you very much. Kwa sababu governor ana shughuli nyingi, mimi leo sitaki kusema mengi, nasema asanteni sana. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ai, juega, juega, tú a jugar, juega, ¿no? Angucokeria nkatho cia mwanya muno no ndubange boringa gituma siasa ngavana atikuthithia nani atikuthithia lakini muntu akaremwo kuitega ona ni mbiomba gu contribute so ndenda rutere ru turingire antu baru iswega nuntu abaejene into biao tubaringire ni ruita fadhali kuthia watu makosi na tuendelee na njira eu Meru ngavana wa Meru ni au ugwori no rega utegero karo yu complaina so alivia complaining county then Meru is angry but nchokeria ngavana ngatho sana no ntu na ugire atithikira gituma no kiriku I remain focused to make Meru great na ugaga cha partners no chore bubune na mbuga na arua ngavana kinywe by association and by everything ni member wa group ije nuntu kera ngavana icho antu bakume Meru great na bawi wo make Meru great ngavana thukia re member wenu ende bote muringera ruwe murume and group ije is a very strong group na itukwenda kubuchokeria nkatho na turombe antu bangi ba Meru twite na njire o eu twikire kiratu kiu kenda tumba ukinya na tukwenda gwita kumake Meru yetu great otherwise dinji leo utajikaza kona ina bahati ukaikaza tuone sinda ni power hapa tunajadili kutafuta power turingeni deputy governor wetu Rui ayo tumuchokeria nkabo elitango na muthenya wetu ngugi oigo mutuwa huyu atulie tumani watu ndio kidia makofi.
Asante sana Chief of Staff. Wapi makofi ya Chief of Staff? Kama na wetu very good friend Wanodi Menti, wana Mahmud, MCS present, ana majority hapo, kama wetu wa health committee, alitingo hiyo wetu ba serikali county watu ongere tundi ishikimbe patron Meru Progress Group, famously known as MPG Staff Group. Colleagues ba Meru Progress banaweza sifiwe. Thank you very much. Mbamru ambuga ni kura kunene gavana kwithira reru ari kuya ku asante sana de nambati kwa ni kura kunene gavana nonto kwa kutara reru ari watana na this very special group already DCC wana Mahmud Auga. We now have a strong that force. It's a very special group ngavana. Anondo kinyarera nangoka nambuiba sana ngavana nondo bo ocheya na okona ke to receive interview nondo yan ndakwetere ku group WhatsApp iko enda ku yaja na into dona akawa a bit skeptical and I could understand why. Nondo group zinge cha WhatsApp in Meru 90 almost something percent chida rango echo iko area mbaya iko rumana hivyo tumenyana somebody ugere abitre progressive to kwetu mago kana haraka sana yeto te progressive every progress na tukijita anga progressive anga progressive anga nini irumi utuko na mwanya raito to tio Lindas. But I can confirm, Governor, because I'm a member of this group. It's a very special group. It has lasted now almost over 4 years. And I really want to thank you, Patron, for keeping the group together and that display. People engage constructively. Na ibateta sana antu wetu ba Meru They have been doing it silently. This is the first time, I think, since the group was formed. You have come to assist with the county government within a lot of media coverage. But today, we run a government. No mwankato itu geto ikamando werune anabatu nangrai ndio abi very transparent. We run a transparent government. No mwankato the media and that take watu tubrete mecha ira ibicha dirikari bona watu egito so kwa dabo ibweka sana. I really want to thank you. It's a very special group, as I said, government. They are also special in one other way. I don't know if it's a good way or bad way. I don't know that's why you've been able to together for so long. And I think that we've been able to survive even in the absence. So, MPG, this is really a time that we need assistance from everyone. It's a very difficult time in government, both the national, county governments. Resources are not adequate. From the national government, they are not adequate. Whatever we are collecting here from county governments, own sales revenue is not adequate. So really assistance like this is coming at a time when it's a very needed time. Patron and my colleagues really want to say thank you very much. Keep up that spirit. Tuendelee kuhatanira na ndombe groups ingi Meru County. Tafadhali waige mfano wa hii Meru Progress Group. WhatsApp. It's a very special group known to Kinyare hata chwaga dirikari. Even though some of us may have different political persuasions that time to engage very constructively, maybe we continue to engage even after elections. And you are my friends. Governor, at times you say, "Man, I get to carry into the door." The patron trombe, pantaya. One day after the social gathering, after the young man, one rato to the and it's a group that also has everybody from all corners of this county. Group etije mutiania, etije muigembe, etije muimenti. Group ni group ya Antoba Meru, na group ya watandete sana. So baba Antoba media, with the WhatsApp group ingi kare ya Meru Progress. Baraka kurumana. No nyoru mana kumaruko ile mwango kwa watete namna gani? Karu manganga bana kumaruko ile mwango yatakusaidia nini? Unbe dararo de I think baking group almost 1,000. Boka era kere ko na group ni chena messages almost 2,000. Utana nya kana ko boma. So andale ta ko delete. Era mobile na Meru Progress. No ndinge ni rumi. Kanende mwana para ko de akiru mana ngabana de. Ana karu manto jo kana karu viongozi akara ite diate. Anate. No ndute motonga ya ko ite no ko preso kete. Ide da uwemba. Tunde kwa nagwaria anta maingi nya ko no chukira nkando uri kwa sana na wish all the best in whatever you do. I know again and I must say this, I'm very proud of this gentleman, Governor. We have all kinds of professionals here. We have engineers, we have architects, we have big business people. Mombasa. This gentleman here is a big businessman in Mombasa. He's a big investor in this Meru County and many others. So Angwa Ndagwa is a very strong group. Please continue to support us. This is your county. In our charity, in our Mamibe Nubare, in our Yukabare, in our Patron Negre, and Bogaita, in our Gayanto Chamuisho. So this is our county. Pendele Kuatanira, again that of Yukadia. If the Lekiliangwa Yakuga, Waziri, Afadali, Intobi, as I said, Batwe, you know it's a very open and transparent government. Nara Kanirwa, group and a lot of accountability, we are account of government, and maybe group through patron, also you have Dr. Dream there, Dr. Dream of this group, to make sure Baba Konekora proper breakdown of all these items have been distributed. Ile kwa chibitari ile kwa ile bile ile na nkratu plan for accountability kana tarbetu on the base each yao aba chijanirite. Asanteni sana urungu wa barime uko na maringi. Thank you very much and God bless. Kwa hiyo machache, it's now my duty and pleasure to invite our governor, Akebie, the special WhatsApp group in Meru County. Karibu governor. Pigia governor makofi. 1, 2, 3. Karibu governor. Thank you.
Okay, asanteni sana. Do be seated. Can we appreciate our deputy governor? So, deputy governor, DCC, waziri, kiongozi wa serikali ya kaunti ambayo tuko hapa, the patron, and the members, Meru Progress, mjambo. Leo hatuna mengi ya kusema, sema tu asanteni sana. We know some of you. When I used to be in Nairobi, I knew your patron. That time he was the CEO of the National Chamber of Commerce. He was in charge of all the business community in Kenya. So let me take this opportunity to welcome this great son of Meru back to his home in Meru. I also in the same vein want to welcome those of you who come from Nairobi, those who come from Mombasa, indeed the Meru diaspora who have decided under the umbrella of Meru Progress to come and support us in this great manner that you've done today. And we appreciate them. They say you can graduate from many universities, but you can never graduate from your age. Because you talk university unaenda, so you are graduating from that university. But from your village, you go all over the world, and you always come back to that village. And even if you don't come back, sisi tunakuleta wakati ukifika. Sindio? So it's good we keep on coming back. Kwa mkuleta Warawi, Temadio kwa tukuraya now, and he keeps on telling us. Berari muntu munene mono, atuweka munene wa Methodist bonde duniani. Nda turare ya Meru, aya unture na hapo kanti la gorere enda ya sai. Kwa mairo ala taka ju sai kanti. Atra kona na ku sai na bo au kanti. Non to boy. Atra tu como akali mo itene ruine. Alafu agira kuja sai kore non to kerala munene atanyo sai antoliku. Au kanti. O kijana kuwenga nyimustra nyesha sai kanti wira kwina kwao. Na nyango ina tunasho kinyanga banomero. We join the temporary. We are here for a short time. O to achoka onara kanti kale. Ko wangu buchokeria nkalo. Antobeto bao mitana iru Mombasa na kinyo baba ngia nene abandi. Tuwa turikana tutra ntwabiru. Na direa naru watre tramitungi oxygen avia pore. Ka obyo bire bidiri Gatore yitane yita tukeya wa misanda ya utegia antubetu yitarira COVID. Na ito kana mono ya kwa ito rentubire nondo oyao milista ita sabura pechira to kwa nadirikare icha utegia COVID itengani na ito kwa ndo teyo unye nkuruki. Ita antora we yeta bonde imbaraitha muno guti mumiru wethero areo ni babu amiru abayiru kwa mbere uturetera musanda bau banje nantu barangingi nande kwenda kwaria nkurukio uwathithia ni kioneire gikega ni good example aitukoromba amiru bangi bakobie mubango yobuthithitie baririkane antu bao nontu guti mumiru munene utino uyoe ntureme kana cousin kana relative wa one way or another na tuigateka tutharimini mwathani na njira imwe na tukauga ni tonga kibigwikoya na into muoya umwe waziri mutuma wira kithori muturi na nokrete mpempe nyingi na tutumira cionthe yukia mpempe ing'anona urumio muturi oku uwite nacio yo kayo tuku omba kithira urumirie mpempe no wakamata wingie cibitari kana tu oito theganie ni as a community internet muno it is true oya deputy governor wira de Korea Miru Progress there was some group damn right buka kaba weta yitu bi uninte to the experience njaga muno na WhatsApp groups na ambere u sasa wo ni tukrate me tugaga to yebinde buga yete kinyetara batu kushuria impact yani kile society yetu ndo WhatsApp groups zile nyingi ni cia youth mirekari tukwenda kuria na WhatsApp groups nonto thirikari kiroto yetu ya kunene ya Meru. We say we want to make Meru great. We want Meru to be a happy, prosperous society. Turenda kukuria Meru na njira njega irabaka baina into byao na bari antu bawira gwa magita na magita oyoro mwathani ina kubendera ndio thomo WhatsApp group na message ile ku ugokira rukire tha 12 waraitha thimu na antu bagutata na thita leo ila time kiwa kora ile nembire ku mateta yangi ogoro no mateta oku marukire monko tuko teatro kuona kile WhatsApp groups ni mateta tukoli atwathoma message tukushonzere bakathogania Meru ni gutukukari. We might create a very pessimistic and bitter society, people who will never see anything positive from our community through our social media platforms. Ona de ground ko weri Meru Progress na people kuonania there is hope in our society. Ati kuna werigiro ndene Meru nano tuye group ete nyawara bangi atugushumba ile group ya WhatsApp group ko yoni mu kyone jaji kega mono ore WhatsApp group yubo kutumirwa in a positive way to transform our society. And the patron, I want to thank you so much. It's very unique and then akuwa group wingi jaji cha ukuria Meru na jajeji kunte kwenda kwaria nkurukio mwathani abutharire sana tubi waturetera narua ya kuria twina DCC wa Mahmud turomba kwa ilu muno mujini na jengo tutrai to kinyano wana mutuma. I hope you give some of those vulnerable groups in the slums of Meru. Personally, I discourage giving food to our people. Nyara na remtu South Elements inda weta mu tumu sana yo kare tonu na dia kinya mutinda to yigo to kongi because I want them to encourage our people to work hard. Banale to gitara COVID in a special, very special circumstances, but kinya gitarere non te biante wetu bari meta na vai na irio muntu na irio ate wiki irio. People are very careful about the people we give the food. Mlemavu ni sawasawa kwa sababu huyu ana nguvu, ana uwezo, kwa mlemavu ni wateverwe. Kana mtu ule ongora yetwe, kana circumstance yao ni such that atakomba wishi rabia kule. But my main message ni mumeru na shughuli yale at least on the wishi rabia kule wengwa na family yewe na vile vya tiararu nyubangi. That's the dream I have. As I mean said, in Meru we have been trying to preach a society where we don't need food relief. But now in special circumstances, our people have really been affected by COVID. Even those who have been working, places where they were working have been closed down. So they have not been able, even those who could afford to get some food before, some of them are finding themselves in circumstances where they cannot feed themselves. So in this special circumstance, we are welcoming food relief, and we are requesting the DCC and our Ministry of Health officials to really target the food so that it goes to those who deserve. And I really appreciate the Meru Progressive for this support. Alois, thank you so much for this creative use of the WhatsApp group as a way of positively transforming our society. What we have seen in the past is just negative messages whose long-term impact on our society will be creating a very bitter and negative society, people who have no hope. The oxygen cylinders will support our hospitals, which we really appreciate. I think the oxygen plant in the middle of 5 is sufficient. But in other hospitals like Mutuati, Maua, Kanyakine, all those far-flung areas, you will greatly benefit from this assistance. So Dr. Kenny, thank you so much for advising them to give us this unique assistance. You are the first people ever to donate oxygen cylinders in Meru County. Hakuna group ingine. So we really appreciate that. Mungu aendelee kumbariki. We shall be together. I would like to see you in better times after COVID. Yeah, you see my very vibrant group. Group like the Mondani Njuri Cheke. Tuone vile tutapeleka Meru mbele. You know, we have Vision 2040. There are many opportunities in it, even for business, community from Meru. We would like to give you first priority for investing in Meru County. So let's meet after COVID, tuone vile tutapeleka Meru mbele. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
Thank you. Thank you, Governor. Turingire Governor Ruiru Rudongi 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Governor. Na Governor Kugabwega. Ukona mtu wa oxygen, mtu yu mchore ukulu. Kana nere? Mtu wa kuwete oxygen hiyo ni rafiki yako kabisa. Thank you, Governor. Thank you for those kind words. I would like now to request the patron, Juan Charles, maybe 2 or 3 others, then the Governor Deputy to proceed there so that you handle this beautiful donation. Sauti. After that, after they hand over, we shall do a photo, but minding the social distance. Patron?
Thank you so much, Governor. Excellency. Umeongea vizuri sana. Tumeshukuru. Kama hatujashukuru wote. Tumeshukuru kujua kwamba kuleta kazi hapa. Asanteni sana. Na kitu kingine Governor, tukuambia kwamba siasa tutaanza 2022. Kazi yetu sasa ni kusupport tufanye kazi yako. Hakuna kitu kingine. Si ndio vile? Sasa ningependa tu kwa vile tumependekeza hii ni mapendekezo. Tafadhali before I hand over your excellency. Tuko na mifuko ya 25 kilos, tuko na 50. Alafu hii ndogo tuko na 234. Na tunapendekeza namna hii. Na pale kunaitwa Turu PWD wapewe 13. Father Barnabas wapewe 13. Father Riwa wapewe Mcheru wapewe 12. Marimba Children wapewe 12. Hii kubwa. Nikuelekeza, hiyo ni mapendekezo sio? Alafu hii ya kilo 5 ya excellency tunapendekeza kwamba Kariene na nyumba hapo inaitwa Jawa ni children zone pia nafikiri wapewe hiyo mifuko 25 20 which is 100 kilos. Kuna wazee hapa nasikia wako Maumau wapewe mifuko 16. Kuna Kumene Special School wapewe 20. Kuna Mother Maria Machaka Kibirisha where I come from mifuko 30. Kuna St. Lucius Egoji Date School Guide. Kuna ingine hapa inaitwa Mama Africa kwa Gidongo 18. Alafu itabaki mifuko 100 ya 1000 kilos. Na tumependekeza tukuachie hiyo kufanya uamuzi wewe mwenyewe pale ungependa kupeana, na hiyo ni mapendekezo. If in case you need to change your address, we don't have any issue at all. Thank you so much. So
unajua ukipewa kitu ndio upeleke pale fulani unapeleka huko, si ndio? Yeah, so we are going to follow exactly what you have said. I wanted to hear that, and this is you take that list to Opati, so they make sure, just as you said, it's distributed with Opati report. Here ingine kusema, the 1,000 which is left, share between Mujeni, Majengo, and few things. Asante.
Sasa watu Kiburi kuja upatie gavana hii.
Thank you. It is my honor to present this donation from Meru Progress. Governor Meru County, now that there's no hardship, I think how do we do? Just get one. Shika moja.
Excuse. Excuse.
And this is it. Where's kiongozi? Mheshimiwa kiongozi. Well done. Harakisha. Moja halafu oxygen cylinder na mbio inawekwa kwa gari kwa ambulance mara moja. Thank you. And the cylinder. I don't do the big one. Do the big one. Kama is energetic. Big one. Ile nzito kabisa. Ameweza kubeba Meru County vizuri sana. Asante. Yeah.